Hello there, welcome to Umid Private Online class. In this class, I'm going to cover some remaining topics of 9th grade physics. And today's first topic is floating objects. Here, again, it is related to buoyancy and Archimedes principle. Okay, here we study three different cases. If the object is floating, maybe object is suspended, maybe object is sink. Okay, if we throw one object inside the liquid, liquid applies a force, and that force is known as upthrust force. Weight of object is downward and the upthrust force is upward, and they try to balance each other. Okay, if they balance each other and if they are equal, then the object will float here. Okay, float means some part of the object will be above the surface of the liquid. Okay, so here it is floating object. This object is floating object. Here upthrust force is equal to weight. Second, object may be in suspended situation. How? Again, upthrust force is equal to weight, but here weight is little bit more than this case. Okay, how we know it is more than? Because it has come a little bit below the surface. Then here this upthrust and this weight is more than this upthrust and this weight. That's why the object is in suspended situation. Okay, this situation is known as suspended, and this object is suspended object. They are equal, but they are more than these two. Here upthrust is more than in this case. Here we have upthrust force upward. This upthrust force is more than this upthrust force. Okay, next, third case is this one. Object is completely sinked, in sink situation. How? Here weight is more than upthrust force. Upthrust force can never balance the weight. Okay, this upthrust force can never balance the weight. That's why object sinks. Here weight is more, but it is balanced by upthrust force. Here it has some weight and it is balanced by upthrust force. So these three different cases we study here. If upthrust force is equal to weight, then it may be floating object, may be suspended object. If the weight is more than upthrust force, then it is completely sink situation. Okay, only this case is very special case. How it is special? Now let's see here. If we throw this object into this liquid, if it comes into suspended floating situation, if it comes into a floating situation, then weight of this object will be equal to the weight of displaced liquid. You see here, weight of object is 10 and the weight of this displaced liquid is also 10. In floating case, upthrust force is equal to weight of object, and that is equal to the weight of displaced liquid. You see, in case of floating, the weight of water displaced is equal to the weight of the object, and that is equal to upthrust force. Density and floating. Now these three cases will be studied with the help of density. Okay, we study these three cases in relation with density. If the density of liquid is more than density of object, then object floats like this. Some part will be above the surface of liquid. If the density of liquid is equal to the density of object, then it becomes in suspended situation. But if the density of object is more than density of liquid, then object will sink like this. Okay, I hope it's clear to you guys.